Welcome to the world of Titecho, where precision engineering meets versatility. Join us as we unveil the power and adaptability of Titecho's inner shaft electric motors, capable of seamlessly integrating with a wide range of pump heads, including the renowned Italian pumps. Titecho's inner shaft electric motors are designed to be versatile, capable of fitting with the majority of pump heads available on the market. Their adaptability ensures that regardless of the pump head you choose, Titecho's motors will provide a perfect match. In particular, Titecho's inner shaft electric motors are renowned for their perfect adaptation with Italian pump heads. The combination of Titecho's motors and Italian pump heads is a match made in efficiency, providing unparalleled performance and reliability. When paired with any pump head, Titecho's motors deliver superior performance and efficiency. Whether used in industrial processes, agricultural irrigation, or water treatment systems, Titecho's motors ensure optimal performance and longevity. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from our satisfied customers who have experienced the benefits of Titecho's inner shaft electric motors paired with various pump heads. Their testimonials speak volumes about the adaptability and performance of Titecho's motors. Join the ranks of satisfied customers and experience the unmatched adaptability and performance of Titecho's inner shaft electric motors. No matter the pump head, Titecho has the perfect motor for you. Titecho, where adaptability meets efficiency, powering your pumping solutions with ease. Titecho logo with the tagline powering your pumping solutions with versatility and reliability.